My name is Chris Roberts. I was diagnosed around 50 with mixed dementia. The diagnosis initially was absolutely, it shook the whole family because we knew nothing about dementia. And I got very depressed and I went into quite a dark place. I realised that nothing had changed really. I was still me and I wasn't deteriorating as quick as we thought. So we started researching. And it's that fear of the unknown. People have heard the word, but they just don't understand. And the more we learned, the less frightened we were. So I decided to carry on living and live with dementia and to embrace it. We started looking at things we could get involved in. And then from there, we got invited to speak at conferences and things. We've started our own support groups locally. We've helped facilitate other support groups. We do a lot on social media, and it's normalising dementia, and it's showing people that they can still live, that they can still have a life. Just being out there and talking about it is amazing, and the amount of lives that have apparently changed. It's really heartwarming.